One. This is in continuation to the various topics what we were discussing in operations management. Now we will be discussing about lean operations. Lean operation has its roots in the Toyota Automobile Company of Japan, where waste was to be avoided at any cost, at all costs. That is, the waste in time caused by having to repair faulty products, the waste of investment in keeping high inventories, and the waste of having idle workers. This means that lean operations is a way of managing organizations to minimize waste and maximize value for customers. If you look into the kind of waste that lean operations aim to eliminate, then there are three types. One is the time waste, in the sense repairing faulty products or waiting for materials. Then next one is the inventory waste, keeping high inventories that are not being used. Then about the worker waste means having idle workers who are not being utilized. So these are the three different types of waste which lean operations aims to eliminate. Next is, what are all the different elements of lean production? The first one, to consider the organizations in terms of supply chain of value streams that extends from suppliers of the materials through transformation to the final customer. Means you look at the organization as a supply chain that adds value to customers. The second element is to organize workers in teams and to have everyone in the organization conscious of his or her work. Means we are supposed to organize workers in teams and make everyone aware of their role, basically. Third one, to produce products of perfect quality and to have continuous quality improvement as a goal. So here the focus is on producing high quality products and also to keep improving, to continuously improve. So that is the third element. Then the fourth one, to organize the operation by product or cellular manufacturing rather than using a functional or process layout, which means that we need to organize all the operations either by a product or cell rather than focusing on the function only. The last element is to operate the facility in a just-in-time mode. Means to produce just what is needed and just in time whenever it is needed. So in simple terms, we can say lean operations is all about, number one, eliminating waste. Number two, focusing on value-added activities. Number three, improving continuously the quality. Number four, working together as a team. And number five, producing what is needed and when it is needed. So these are the elements or the overall meaning of lean operations.